Let me reach back to my days at Anna for one last poem, The Parting Glass, as the song has it. Both times I was there at this artist retreat up near the border, I would walk the 3 miles into the village of New Bliss to a pub owned by a brother and a sister, Mick and Annie McGinn, and then walk back. So it was a 6-mile walk in the afternoon most days. This derives itself endlessly from the anonymous quatrain, "Western wind, when wilt thou blow? The small rain down can rain. Christ, if my love were in my arms, and I in my bed again." A small rain. I sit with Mick McGinn and watch the swallows dipping as they nearly touch the roadway. He tells me the rain is sure to return. A heavy sky is holding the insects down. At evening, off the road to Anna 2 horses are running, their silk flanks shining. The pool they run by is starred with water lilies. In the hayfield beyond them, the sun goes down, and a cloud the color of pearl is building over the simple hills of Monaghan. Swallows are convening in the hollows to keep me company for the final mile. They swoop and twitter about a small rain coming, or somebody sure as the rain.